Hi guys, it's Lo. So today we wanted to do a healthy habits video. I thought that it would be fun to kind of take you guys through the healthy habits that I practice every day or almost every single day and what I do to make myself feel great, right? I find that when I get into the patterns of going out all the time and drinking too much and eating and not exercising, that's always when I feel the worst. If you are not feeling great right now, I would suggest that you take a look at your lifestyle first and really think about the different ways that you can address it, clean some things up, make some easy changes. Because when I'm practicing all of these things consistently in a good way, I feel really great, and it's as simple as that. Okay, so tip number 1, drink your water. So I have this amazing water bottle. It's from this, I don't know, it's called Cactaki. You can find it on Amazon. This is not branded, by the way, or not like sponsored content. Basically, it has these markers on it that remind you to drink during the day. So this is like 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11, 12 p.m. and then you refill it, you drink it again, and it basically is the 64 ounces of water that you should be drinking every day. Sometimes I drink 4 of these when I really want to go in hard on the water that day. But water absolutely, it makes your body run smooth, it makes your skin beautiful, it gives you energy, and it's critical to life, which we all know. So definitely encourage you guys to check out this water bottle. It totally changed my life, and I just keep it on my desk at the office. All right. Sleep, next. Very important. I think that people that always brag about oh my gosh, I can get 5 hours of sleep and I can still do everything so good. I'm like, how? Sleep is one of the most important things in my life. If I do not get 7 or 8 hours, I feel miserable the next day. And if you feel the same way, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And I also find that as an adult, I have more responsibilities, my anxiety is a little worse, I constantly have things going through my mind, right? And so I like to supplement with natural herbs, minerals, things like that on the nights that I have a hard time getting to sleep, because it really helps me to slow my mind down so that I can actually drift off to sleep. And at Love Wellness, we make a product that helps you do just that. It's called Lights Out, and I'll just read off the bottle. It promotes restful sleep, relaxation, and reduces occasional stress. Really cool ingredients in this product: magnesium, mineral. And then in our Lights Out blend, we have organic valerian root, organic lemon balm, organic passion flower, and of course, melatonin. So definitely get those 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Okay, next, eat more real foods. Thank you, Kelsey, for putting this fruit in a bowl for me. But truly, you guys, I feel like everybody here at Love Wellness eats pretty healthy, but when I say pretty healthy, I just mean real food. Food to me is medicine, and it fuels my body, and it's delicious. And so if you get creative with herbs, spices, vinegar, olive oil, all of these amazing things, you can make pretty much anything taste really good, even if it's just vegetables. So when I made the switch a couple of years ago to really focusing on incorporating real food into my diet, I started to feel really good every single day. I like to practice a very relaxed morning routine. I get up pretty early because I wake up early just naturally. I'm up between 6:30 and 7 every day. I just wake up and I'm ready to start. But I typically don't get into the office until 9, 9:30. And I really take those morning hours to relax, to watch a little TV if I want to get some exercise, to just, bop around my apartment, make some coffee, hang out, meditate, whatever. The point is, I do not like to get up and be rushed into the office. It makes me stressed out, and I just think that giving yourself a little more time in the morning is a really nice way to start the day. We actually made a morning routine video, which you can check out right here, right? I'm supposed to go like this? Okay, go like this. The next thing that I do, I listen to my body. It's part of why I started a women's self-care company. Trust what your body is telling you. If you have a headache, you have a headache for a reason. Maybe you didn't drink enough water. Maybe your allergies are going crazy. Maybe you're hungry. I don't know. But your body is signaling to you that something is wrong and it needs help in some way. So whether it's a headache or you are depressed or you're getting chronic infections, there's something going on. And so I would encourage you to absolutely go to your doctor, go to your physical therapist, go to your nutritionist, and talk to these experts about what your underlying issue is. More often than not, it can just be stress, it can just be emotional issues that you're dealing with that are manifesting themselves in a physical way, which is really common, especially in 2020. There's a lot of weird stuff going on right now, you guys. So take care of your body and listen to your body. It's one of the things that I work on every single day. I actually exercise less than I used to. I feel like I have sort of tapped into something with that. I still move my body at least 30 minutes every single day. I walk to work almost every day, and it's a 20-minute walk here and a 20-minute walk home. So right there, that's 40 minutes of moving my body every single day. On top of that, I get like traditional exercise 3 days a week. I used to work out way more, and my body didn't really thank me for it. I was just kind of doing mindless cardio and spin classes and, just figuring the harder I worked, the better I would look and feel. But I have seen that actually the opposite is true. When I work out a little bit less, but in a very particular way. I do cardio Pilates. I go to this studio called SLT. It's like very intense, but fun too. So when I do less classes and really focus on eating that clean, healthy food, do I look and feel my best? If you have any suggestions on what we can rename feminine health, we use the words personal care, self-care, but we always think feminine hygiene is nobody likes that term, but we do focus on it here, right? And when I was in my mid-20s, I realized that this was something that I should focus on, and that women's health really starts in the gut. And if you have gut problems, you could be getting chronic infections, you could be depressed. There's a gut-brain connection and there's a gut-vagina connection. Your gut is the home of the immune system, and you should definitely be focusing on that part of your body if you want to be healthy throughout your body. A couple years ago, I just realized that a lot of what was available for women at the drugstore in the personal care aisle kind of was made badly and made me feel bad about myself. And so at Love Wellness, we really changed the status quo when it comes to products that are made for women's health. So if you are interested in learning more about your feminine health, definitely check out all of the amazing articles that we have and some of the innovative products that women all over the country are really loving. Just like I have a nice relaxing morning, I like to take breaks throughout the day, and everybody on my team certainly knows that. I come in and I kind of shoot the shit for a few minutes in the morning, and I do it around lunchtime, and I do it again around the time everybody is kind of getting ready to go home. My brain works best when I focus in really hard for 2 hours at a time, and then I need to get up and walk around and go to Ulta or, go get lunch or talk to my mom for a couple minutes. And I think that taking breaks actually makes us more productive in the long run. So I would definitely encourage that. Okay, my last tip for healthy habits: tidy up. Tidy room, tidy brain, then I can sleep really well. When I'm at home, I'm in my little sanctuary, and it's really important that everything is kind of just in its place, or at least the mess is not in my mind's eye when I'm in my living room watching television, after I come home from work, and especially when I go to bed. I need my room to be clean and peaceful. Just like I said, tidy room, tidy mind, nice sleep. Those are all of my healthy habits that I wanted to share with you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I hope that you subscribe to the channel because we are working on creating some really amazing content for women, by women. Kelsey, Madeline, thank you guys so much for your help, and we will see you soon.